19. Nasaan si Kurt, ano?
Ayun!
Luis.
Levins! See you tomorrow! See you tomorrow!
Okay, nasaan si Rain Carlos? Rain Carlos.
Balloon!
Palakpakan naman natin si Rain Carlos, ha? Okay, nasaan na si Michaela Carlos. Ayan, Michaela.
See you tomorrow!
Okay, puro happy birthday, ha? Okay, nasa si, G-Wheels.
G-Wheels!
Karikitag. G-Wheels.
G-Wheels! Sabi mo, see you tomorrow!
Ayan.
Birthday!
Okay, nasa si Angel.
Happy birthday to you! See you tomorrow! Happy birthday to you! See you tomorrow! Seven, ikaw na rin. Next!
Ikaw na pala next. Sige na.
See you tomorrow! See you tomorrow! Bye-bye! See you tomorrow! See you tomorrow! Please!
Take care.
Take care! Take care! Goodbye! Goodbye!
Alay, ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon.
Ay, nasabi na daw po niya.
Okay, thank you.
That's it!
Okay, naka-ready na ba yung 7 candles natin?
Dapat sinabi mo. See you tomorrow.
7 candles.